morning, everyone. This is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with a card share. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design. That's Melissa, who's Moe Creations, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlie's Cards. And I'm also joining hashtag SatMoreMakes. That's Jill, and she's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So with 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt to use in your crafting and ask you to share your designs on Saturday morning. And then Jill wants us all to craft all week long and upload our designs on Saturday morning so everybody can join them. So I'm following the prompt this week for 2crafters1design, and it's green. Now, can't go wrong with green. That's my favorite color. That and orange, but green is one of my favorite colors. And so I want to share a card that I created for this challenge or hashtag. So what I used in creating the card was from Cat Scrappiness, this kind of like postage edge, let's see what she calls it, distressed edge rectangles, but it looks like, you know, postage edge. And so I used that. And then I used some paper from 49 and Market, and it's called the Classics Lemonade. And this is, I think from their Spectrum Sherbet collection, maybe. Love 49 and Market paper. And then I used a new stamp set that I purchased from Sweet Miss Daisy's Designs. This is illustrated by Anna White, and she is on Etsy. And when I saw this, I don't know, just, you know, it spoke to me because of the postal design. And she is Miss Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, and she gives you this cute little thank you card. So I purchased that. So let me share with you my design. I also use some florals from my stash. I'm pretty sure they're from a Spellbinder set. And so here's my card. It's a birthday card, but kind of looks like a postage. Not a postage, but a postcard. So I made the little stamp. Of course, it's a little larger than a stamp would be on this size. But, and then I stamped this one little design on here, like a, you know, like it's gone through the postage stamp. And then I stamped on it, happy birthday. So I think it turned out cute. I was a little worried that this was a little too black, and maybe I should have used a lighter, you know, softer color, but I like it. And then I went ahead and used the black, this is VersaFine black ink, and I think it turned out cute. So let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you can see when I upload a video. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.